AI, the path to financial freedom in 2024. Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest trends and life-changing technologies. Today, I have a mind-blowing topic that will surely leave you in awe. Are you ready? We're going to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and discover how it can pave the way to financial freedom in 2024. Rise of AI. Did you know that AI is rapidly transforming the way we live and work? It's not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. It's becoming a powerful tool in our daily lives. AI is already revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and even entertainment. But what's even more exciting is how it can potentially make you financially free in the near future. Harnessing AI for wealth creation. AI has the potential to create massive wealth for those who embrace it. Imagine having a personal AI-powered financial advisor at your disposal, analyzing the market trends, and making strategic investment decisions that maximize your profits. Gone are the days of relying solely on human intuition. With AI, you can have an edge in the financial world like never before. AI-powered business ventures. Think about starting your own business. The entrepreneurial journey can be daunting, right? But with AI on your side, you can supercharge your business operations, boost productivity, and identify untapped opportunities. AI can automate repetitive tasks, provide valuable insights from data analysis, and help you stay ahead of the competition. It's like having a tireless, genius teammate on your side.